I'm here talking about this new here road map. It's a road map. It's what you do, it's how you get from one place to the other, okay? Well, here we have point X, which is your house, okay? Your house. All right? Next, you drive down this one here called a road. You go as fast as you can. Avoid the police, of course. And hit this other spot here we'll call Y, okay? Y. Why? Because it's the other point. And we don't want to call it X because X is already a point on the map. So we'll call this one Y. And that's your end spot. That is your destination. Okay? That's how you use a map. Now just follow the line you made. All right? Bye.